Madeline, what are you doing? Are you making a gingerbread house?
Careful, Madeline. Are you making a gingerbread house?
Is she Hansel or Gretel?
Yeah? Or are you supervising?
Yeah.
You're supervising. Oh, that's what you're doing. Okay.
Madeline, who's eating more? You or Edgar?
Yeah. Why don't we just put some more frosting on that face? Are we decorating the house or you? I do.
A Jew.
Looks good, Madeline. Did you make that all by yourself?
Yeah.
Did anyone help you?
One more save. Oh, this one.
Who helped you?
That's
Drop.
your name? No. Is that your name?
Who helped you, Madeline?
Ed.
Edison.
Yeah. Edison.
Thomas Edison.
I tried them.
Try some? Alright. Good to know. Is it
Yes, we could see it. Oh.